push that a little backward. Okay. First thing, we always need to moisturize the hair. Now we're going to do that with our hair and make sure it's nice and wet. Oh, I forgot Sefari lean back like that because we have to put this towel. Sefari. Okay, now we're going to scrub it all around. Make sure. Okay, let's see what we need then. Sefari, are you okay? Sefari, are you gonna be okay? Oh, silly me. I have to always brush the hair gently because we don't want your hair. And of course, your hair always has to get brushed before you do anything with your hair. But you have to spray it before you brush. Because if you don't spray it before you brush, it'll be like all naughty. So that's what I do with Sefari. That's what I do. So now we're going to take this. See this, friends? Yeah, you see that. Now we're going to get a pink green. No, we're going to get. Friends, we got blueberry, please. Yeah, she's just playing. Okay, we got this. Blueberry. Oh, I forgot my little thing so I could say little Claire bookmark. If you notice, guys, today's day 5. Put it. Blueberry. No, Sefari, you play with that. Thank you. Okay. Hello. Sefari, does anything hurt? Nope. Oh. Don't move. Oh, stop moving. Sefari, this is a video. You can't move. Sefari, what's your favorite color? Sefari, what's your favorite color? Sefari, what's your favorite color? But don't tell me pink. I already know it's pink. What's your other favorite color? Blue. And the other blue. And the pink. And the pink. And the purple. Sefari, stop. Sefari, stop. Sefari, stop right now or we'll stop. We'll end the video. So we're gonna... Sefari is really lucky. She's gonna have the best crazy hairstyle. Because yesterday was on her gymnastics, so it was crazy hair day. And Sefari had the most craziest, and me had the most craziest hairstyle ever. And some kids forgot about crazy hair day. Are they crazy? Hey, crazy hair day and crazy. I am crazy too, because I forget everything. Now we're going to put another pigtail. Oh, I forgot. Ow! Sorry. Can you? Yeah. This is a pigtail over here. So guys, I'm going to put it in here because we can't do this. It's going to get all dusty and rusty. What's going to get rusty? No, my hair. We're not yet. Don't make sure. No, your hair does not get dusty and rusty. If you don't wash it, your hair is going to be dusty and rusty if you don't wash it. Sefari, you are going to have the cutest hair ever. Because I might change the hairstyle. Because that's what I did. Hey, no, okay. I'm going to brush your hair. Look at the crown round. Sefari, look, there's SpongeBob on the crown round. Sefari, look, there's SpongeBob. No, there's SpongeBob after. Do what you do when mommy does your hair. Sefari, do what you do when mommy does your hair. You always play with the toy. Sefari, you do not do that when Mommy does your hair. So we're just gonna moisturize this hair. Sefari, we're gonna moisturize your pigtails. I don't need these toys. Okay, we're gonna moisturize your pigtails. Now we're gonna moisturize this pigtail. So friends, I'm moisturizing her pigtails so I can brush her pigtail. Sefari, we're gonna brush your pigtails down. Sefari, look at the camera. Look at the camera. You have to listen. Look this way. Turn. No, turn your head. Sefari, look at the kitchen. Look at the other kitchen. Look at the TV. Okay. Sefari, can you stand up? Like on your knees like this? Like that? On the chair? So I could see, so I could get your hair. You have to stay like, put your legs out, sit on your bum. Okay. Yeah, stay like this. Keep your head. Blueberry blessed. Guys, your babies don't want to get hair rusty and dusty. No, Sefari, don't tell. Just talk to the friend, but not that. So don't do this hair thing without telling. You have to tell if you could do this. So we're gonna keep brushing and brushing and brushing and brushing. Make sure you do this 130 times. Sefari, no more blueberry bliss. So I'm gonna take up things that I'm gonna do. No, I'm gonna do that after. So, oh yeah, I need to brush it. I'm going to take yours like up. Don't drop, Sefari, you better not drop. If it drops, I'll get it. Sefari, you have an elastic stuck in your hair. Friends, make sure you take out the elastics. Make sure you see them really good because our elastics just came out. And you might, I hope this goes on the TV because I really want to watch how I did. Don't do this video, guys. Sefari, talk to the friends. Don't do that, friends. Don't do that. Say, don't do this at home without telling your parents or your aunts or your grandmas. Don't do that. Don't do this if you didn't tell your mom or your dad or your sister or your brother or your aunt or your grandma or your grandpa. That's good. Now we're gonna do this. Don't do that. I'm just playing things like that. Have a little tour on my picture. Now we're gonna brush and now we're going to go down and see what we have since the hair tutorial is all done. Now we have to see what we're gonna put in her hair. Sefari, don't touch her. I will put some stylish stuff in your hair. No, just say introducing. No, I'm gonna have that. Maybe, if you turn around. No. Yes, we're putting both. Now look at the camera. I don't want you guys to go to your hair because he's putting this on. Do not do this without telling somebody if you can do it, because they might say no. Right, Sefari? Yeah. And then you did it wrong. Look at the camera. Sefari, stay focusing. Stay looking at the camera. No, Sefari. Have to take this out and fix it because you messed it up a little. Now, you wouldn't make that mistake. Now we're going to cycle this up. Guys, now we're going to put the final touch. No. No. Sefari, like yours? Want this? Sefari, I got even better. Let me see your clothes. Okay, look at the crown rock. Look at the crown rock. We're all done. Now we have the spinner. So friends, I hope you like this hair tutorial. Give us a thumbs up and make sure you tell your parents or somebody before you do this. Because you might get in trouble.
Did you tell your parents?
Yeah.
Who did you tell?
Mom told me, do you want to do the hair tutorial? And I said, yeah. Sefari.
Okay, no more. You were done. I thought you were done.
But I want to put a ponytail.
Okay, now you have to tell them you're putting a ponytail. You gotta do it again.
Now I can put a ponytail because I think it'll look better. Ow! Sefari, you have to confess. Sefari has to confess. Friends, tell her to Sefari to confess. Confess, Sefari.
Sekora, what does confess mean? What is that?
I don't know what it means.
I know
It means
confess.
focus.
Oh, focus. So say focus, not confess.
Sefari, you have to focus. Look. And I only have one phone. Now we have to brush this. I only have one. Going to turn it. So friends, I hope you like the hairstyle what I did to Sefari. And the back is a really special because I put it all the way down. Sefari, what do you say? You guys, come on. Bye friends. Bye friends.